Free Adobe Express for 3 months. Do you want to get Adobe Express for 3 months? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how you can get Adobe Express for 3 months. You can see there on screen, Adobe Express 3-month free trial. So I will explain you how we can get this trial, okay? So I have a link and I enter that link. After that, this redirected me to this offer page. And now I need to enter my email address here for continue. So I'm just entering my email address. Okay. Enter the email on which you don't have Adobe account. Okay. Try to use fresh mail. So now they are asking for enter the details. Okay. So we need to enter the card details, name and postal code. Okay. Make sure you are connected to United Kingdom IP. Okay. So our card are generating here. I will provide you these resources link in my Telegram channel. Okay. The link of my Telegram channel is provided in comment of this video. Okay. You can check pen comment. So you can join it from there. I will provide these resources link in my Telegram. Okay. So I have generated the card. Now I'm entering the details which I have got. Okay. So after that, enter any random name or you can use your own name. Now we need to enter postal code. You can see there. These are simple steps which we can follow. Okay. And you can see there the postal code I have entered, and after that click on free trial. Simply it's processing. You can see there placing your order, and it's going to be success. Yes, thank you Robert for your free trial has been successfully activated. Okay, you can use this for activate the Adobe Express trial. Now we need to create our password. So we can create password, add the strong password and click on complete. You can see there. Now it's redirecting us to main website. And yeah, there you can see we have got so many premium features of Adobe Express in free. In Adobe Express, basically we got premium feature. Now you can add interest for which services you want to use Adobe Express. Just I'm simply select these like video editing, photo editing and social media. So simply random select these option and done. Okay, so you can see there we have got Adobe Express 3-month trial, and it's have so many features. You can see there we have got premium membership, and you can use Adobe Home, Firefly Express, Photoshop, Lightroom, Acrobat, Stock and fonts. These all are premium features of Adobe Express we have got in free without spending any single penny and dollars. So I will provide you these resources link. You can activate yourself in my Telegram channel. Okay. For more tools and updates, you can join my WhatsApp and Telegram. I will provide the link in comment. You must have to join. If you need paid AI tools, more tools, you can contact